Alright, hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to be talking about Infinite Guitar. It is an online guitar lesson website, and I'm out on the home page right now. Let's go back. Okay, so they have different pricing features. I'm going to go through what they offer. Just for, in general, they have the different genres of types of music that they play, or they provide lessons to or for, the topics, the skill. So even if you're new, even if you've never played guitar, you can learn how to play. It's really not that hard. The different types of studies, the plans, and the tools. And then for the tutorials, these are just some examples of the different tutorials that you can use, like guitar setup and cleaning, which is very important. You want to take good care of your guitar. Song tutorials, guitar studies, backtracking, instructors, and then over here down at the corner, let me go back. You can see all of them. You can click on to see all of the instructors, and then there's articles that you can read. So they offer quite a bit. Okay, so let's click on, let's say rock. Let's see what that does. Okay, so here's some of the lessons that you can take. And let's see what they have for, say, acoustic. I like playing acoustic guitar myself. So you have strumming, rhythmic strumming, and then they have multiple lessons for that. So they offer quite a bit. That's pretty cool. They're all video based. And let's go through the pricing. Now you can get free lessons, and then for the free lessons, it's lessons only. You don't get any access to anything else. For $12 a month, you get full access to all lessons and backtracking. And then for $32 every quarter, which would be every 3 months, you would get full access and backtracking. And then for $109 a year, which that's actually a pretty good price, you get full access to all the backtracking. So you would basically get full access to all of this that they have listed. And then you can look at the instructors individually. You can look at articles. And then for like the quarterly, you get 11% savings over the monthly rate, which is the monthly rate is $12. And then for the annual, which they bill annually for $109 a year, you would get 24% savings over the monthly rate, which is something like around, you would instead of paying $12, you would pay $9.08 or something like that. But again, they do bill it annually. Okay. They also, down here at the bottom, they have support. They have contact us. They have different social media sites that you can join their groups in and get more information and interact more. They're for beginner on up to crazy, really good. So it really depends on, what you want to do. Now, there are a lot of different ways to make money playing guitar. So it's not just, if you want to play for leisure, you can, but you can also make money playing guitar. I know a lot of people who make money playing guitar. And I have an article that I will put that link down in the description, along with a link if you want to sign up for Infinite Guitar down in the description of this video. Check it out. Decide for yourself. You can start with the free lessons, and then if you like what you see and you want to take it further, you can go to the monthly, quarterly, or the annual. It's up to you. Thanks for watching. Good luck to you. And if you want to know where to buy good guitars, I also have information about that as well, and some articles about that. And you definitely want to buy a decent guitar. That's going to be really important, because if you buy a cheap guitar that's hard to play, you're not going to want to continue to play. So you want to invest in a decent guitar, and they're not that much. Okay, so thanks for watching, and good luck to you.